This is so exciting.
You're going to get your first step out.
That's right. Very smooth process.
Very smooth.
Yeah, from coming into the Haven, literally going through security was a breeze.
Yeah, the check-in process, doing it at home now.
Yeah, the check-in, absolutely. Doing it at home and starting that process before even getting here made it so smooth to just walk right up, place your documents on the counter. They're ready. They got your key cards issued already. Very, very awesome. This is so amazing. Right over there is the entranceway into this amazing, magnificent ship.
If you're wondering, the gangway is air conditioned.
Yes, absolutely. It's humid here in Florida, absolutely, but it's nice having the air conditioning in here. Oh my goodness, it's my first time on a ship and this is awesome. Woo! Hello! And so it begins. We made it. Wow. Right inside, the local. Looks like a theater down that way. Looks like they have a TV screen with all the different activities, the shows, the times, and the locations. And we are now on the ship officially. Oh, yeah, there it is. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Welcome aboard.